Welcome back to another video. So here we're going to do a skin mid to low fade. So here we started off with the number 2 guard, just removing the bulk on the side for us to be easy to set in that first guideline. Just gonna do, so here we got a wall senior with a 0 closed, and I want to make that line, and I'm dipping it from the back. That's how my client likes it a bit low and drop from the back. I'm gonna comb the hair as well to get every hair out, making it nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna go back with my wall bowling clipper, and I just want to bowl it all out from the sides. I want to stretch the skin to get every hair out as well while I do this. Get it nice and clean. Pull the skin as well while you do this. Now I'm gonna go back with the Braun Series 9 shaver, and I just want to bowl it all out from the sides to make it all skin and smooth. And you don't want to go right to the top of the line, because it's hard to take out that line once you set it in. So just go an inch lower, just keep it skin underneath that to have that nice transaction from 0 to skin. So now skin it all out, make it nice and smooth. Create the first guideline, I got the 0.5 guard open, and I'm flicking about an inch up, staying consistent the whole way around. And you just want to flick, you don't want to go straight up with the 0.5 guard open. Then gradually you just want to close the lever halfway and then all the way closed, and you just want to flick under to get rid of that bottom line. And you'll see that transaction coming through from skin to 0. Let's try hit 400 subscribers by the end of this week. If you're liked, subscribed, comment as well, please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of my next video. So please let me know if you like anything. Please check out my Instagram. I'll leave the description below in the link. So here we're just gonna go back with the bowling clipper to get that slightest line at the bottom with the bowling clipper, and you just want to flick at that line right at the bottom. If that line don't come out with the 0.5, just go back with the bowling clipper. It's getting nice and clean. So now with the second guideline, I'm getting number 1 guard close and go about another inch up, half an inch, and you want to flick. You don't want to go straight up. You just want to flick at that line and then do it closed. And do it the whole way around, stay consistent the whole way. You want to comb the hair as well while you do this, because you can't do it straight on. That's the first guideline. Second, now we got a 0.5 guard close, and you want to flick out that line we made with the number 1 with the 0.5 guard closed, and you want to flick at it. You don't want to go straight up. And gradually you're going to see that line slowly going away. Using the corner of the blades as well to get every detail out. This is my way of fading. Everyone's got their own techniques, but this is the way that I like doing it. Every barber is different, so this is how I like doing it. Working in as you can see, I'm stretching the skin while I do this as well with the 0.5 guard. I only got one side of the hair as well, so I didn't do the whole head. I only got one side in. So stay tuned and watch this till the end. Now I'm going to go back with the 0.5 guard open, and you just want to see that slightest bit of line that 0.5 couldn't get rid of, so we're going to go back with the open guard. And use the corner of the blades as well to get that nice, smooth, clean fade. And just remove them dark spots. Everyone go check out my boy Azino as well. He's doing his music, so go check him out on Instagram. see that fade coming through slowly, using the corner of the blades. Now I got my 1.5 guard open, and I'm going about another half an inch up, and I'm flicking when I do it as well. You don't want to go straight up, because he liked the weight on the sides. He wanted it heavy on the sides. He didn't want to take too much bulk off. And I'm flicking about with a 1.5 guard open and then close it. And now we're gonna go do some clipper overcombing. This is how I like doing. I like using the big thick combs. The smaller ones are well, I find these ones better in my opinion. Everyone's got their own opinion, so this is mine. I like using these ones, clip over comb. I find it the best, to be honest. And I'm just removing the extra hair. It's getting it nice and smooth. Here I'm going back with the number 1. We've done the 1.5. Just taking out that middle line. As you can see, I just want to flick at that line, getting that nice smooth fade in. And I just want to play with the number 1 guard open and then close it gradually, slowly. You want to stay consistent the whole way around as well. Now I'm going back with a 0.5 guard open to get that nice smooth. And I'm using my Wall Legends. I like using these for the detailed work, because these are quite heavy as well on the hand, so gotta be careful with these. I'm just going back with the Legends, just going over the dark spots. Now with the trimmers, you want to be careful with these. You don't want to go too up, because these are very sharp, and I'm just taking out that very last bottom line to get that smooth skin fade in. And you just want to tap. You don't want to go straight up, because you create another line. See, I'm just flicking at that bottom line with the wool trimmers. Here I'm going back with the 0.5 guard, just to make sure there's no lines. You can see that fade pop now. It's coming through. New videos to be coming out soon, so don't worry. Here I'm just going back with a 0.5. Here I'm doing with the thinning shears, just remove the bulk a little bit. I don't want to do it too much, because you wanted the weight on the side. Here we're just doing the thinning shears. And now for the box, we're going to start off with the number 2 guard. Just remove the weight on the box and on the middle of the hair, for us to be easy to set in that line for the box. So here I got my trimmers, and I started just tapping lightly. You don't want to go press too hard or push back either. You want to keep it natural as possible as well. So I'm just using the corner of my blade, tapping it lightly, making that first line. Then you want to make it cross to a 90 degrees angle. And here I put that curve in as well. Some people don't like it, but me personally, I like it. So especially on these low fades when it's dark as well in the area. So here we're just gonna clean it all up, and we're gonna go back with our blade to get that extra line, sharp look, that crisp line, as you can see. And I'm stretching the skin while I do this as well. on the side he wanted it taken off, so there was no point keeping it, so I just told him get rid of it. Get that nice clean look, because he's got a baby face as well, so there was no point keeping it. So he just cleaned him up, getting all that at the back of the neck, all that hair on the neck as well, under his ear, everything. Just clean it all up with the blade. Let's just clean him up with the duster. And now we're gonna do scissor work on top. He just wanted thinning on top as well, so here I'm gonna show you on how to do that. I'm just gonna wet the hair first. Started off with the left side corner. This is my way of doing the thinning shears. Everyone has their own way, but this is my way. I'm just thinning it out for him, and I'm picking as well while I'm doing this one here, getting that nice texture on top. So here's a cut. Please let me know what you guys think. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. More videos to be coming out soon. So here I'm just gonna do the slit in the eyebrow, connecting through the hair, and I'm getting it right in. I don't want to make it too long. I want it nice and short, so I'm going back with the blade, making that sharp line pop. Thank you guys for all watching. Please stay tuned to the next video.